Hey, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to take you through this home today. All right, we're standing out another Birmingham gem here. This is on Bennaville. This is a 2700 4-bed, 4 full bath, 1 half bath, 2-car garage. This will be ready in about 3 months. Really nice elevation. And this one is right at 1.45 asking price. We're here on the front porch. You can see a little there. That's all the aggregate concrete, which is nice, and he has it all the way in the back. This will be all sodded and sprinkler completed as well. I like that detail, that'll be nice. So right off the bat, we have the poplar real wood. A lot of people put the cheap stuff here. This builder does pretty good quality, especially at this price point. So that's one thing to note, as well as he has some nice attention to detail with your floating vanity being here, and then the sink would be, the toilet would be tucked over here, sort of hidden. A lot of good storage in this house too. Good ceiling height, good light flow, nice windows. We got the French doors with the built-in shelves. All Anderson windows. A lot of good lighting in here. Really nice coat shoe closet here for the front door. I like those shelves, especially. It's a nice touch. Basement upstairs, we'll get to in a minute. Nice open concept kitchen. Be a good size island going in. You can see the floors here, that natural, and then you'll have the full spec completed here. More good storage in here. You can see out there, good width, so you can actually pull in 2 cars in the garage if you wanted, which is difficult to do, or typically not as good on these smaller lots. Nice aggregate patio here. Pretty good size. Take a look from the top too. Then you have all fenced in yard. Dining, breakfast nook area, seating area, TV. A lot of good outlets throughout. Pretty well thought out. So here upstairs, head into this bedroom here. Pretty good sized room. The closet behind here. And you have your own vanity in the room here. And then into the Jack and Jill bathroom. Good storage there. Toilet goes here. Into the next room. Your own vanity there. And then this bedroom is not as large. And you have your closet back there. Same as the other one. I guess that's some good storage. Some linen. There's your laundry. Got the drain, good sized room. Got a window. It's nice. And into the master. One really special thing about this home, it does have the his and hers closet, or the modern day hers and hers, as we say. Really good sized closets. So you can see a lot of the square footage got used up here. What are your thoughts on that? Good sized room here. I like all the design, a lot of good light flow in here. Got all the inserts in the wall ready to go for you. That'll be very clean when it's done. And then of course you have the ensuite bath. You can see the shower there. I like the tile work there. Floor drain. Maybe they'll do a hidden, we'll see. And then could potentially, oh yep, there it is. Could potentially do a different shower head on the other side. And we have the 2 vanities, which is always really nice. And then coming on this side, we do have a nice linen. Not a huge one, but it'll work. As well as the private toilet or the water room here. So let's head out to the next one. Oh, good quick shot of the yard here. Nice view. As you can see, it's pretty decent size as well. Nice and private. I do like the design of the garage as well. And so we're heading through. Pretty good functional layout. Again, more natural light here. And this 3rd level is really cool. They made a really nice bay area here, bench area, which of course you probably could remove that if you wanted. I think it's nice. You got a big bonus space here. You do have another bathroom in here. Not huge, but it will definitely work. Another linen. There's the shower. Well, it will go there, vanity there, vice versa, I guess. You could flip it. And in here, another great room. Do have probably some dual usage here. There's your closet, so you could do technically like a bedroom, or if you want to have a little more storage there, even there's like a bonus office room. Maybe even like a study or separate desks area. They added all this lighting there too. That's really nice. It's a little dark down here, but right off the bat you get the full bathroom here, and then you have your prep for if you want a wet bar, kitchenette on this side. Good ceiling height down here. Got the prep for the TV mount there, panel, egress window. More good storage behind the stairs. And then you have the utility room here. Got this little dark, but it's a good size room. Any questions on this one? Let me know. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.